What up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following the vlog, you've seen in the last few vlogs that I mentioned I was gonna purchase some additional aesthetic mods, and some of them have arrived. Let me show you what I'm gonna be working on today. I've taken off my bumper and I've already test fitted. It's the Top1 front splitter and front canards. If you haven't seen, I got my grill hydro dipped in carbon fiber. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to figure out how to put these canards on symmetrically on both sides, and we're going to properly mount the front splitter so that we can test fit the whole thing on the car. It's crazy because there's so many different front bumpers for the RSX, the Sea West, the Mugen, and finally I'm able to get something original, something a little different. I know people have the front splitter, but this is going to definitely be a little different from OEM. Alright, let's put this camera on the side. First things first, we're going to mount the front splitter, which is probably easier thing to do. The front splitter has one hole that lines up with the OEM spot, which is right there. So the rest of the holes you basically have to drill through. We're gonna make little marks on the bumper itself, put the holes through, and then put the hardware on. Should be a fairly simple task. Using blue tape is probably a little excessive, but I'm going to use it anyways to make sure I can see my holes properly. Just going to use the blue tape. I'm going to press the splitter against the front bumper. Make sure the blue tape's under there. There we go. Make a little circle. I'm going to basically do the same for the rest of the holes that don't line up with any OEM spots. And the reason why I have it bolted on the OEM holes is just to make sure that the front splitter is aligned. Alright, all the holes are drawn. I'm going to unmount the front splitter temporarily. The kit doesn't come with any instructions on how to install this, but it's pretty simple. You just make some holes. Some people use splitter rods. I'm going to see after I install everything if the splitter is tight enough or if I need those rods. Tell me in the comments if you guys think I should use the rods and if you have any recommendations on any splitter rods. You want to make sure you use a smaller drill bit first to make a pilot hole. Alright, we got all the holes drilled out. We're going to take the tape off, do a test mount. We're going to align this hole on the splitter with the OEM hole on the bumper. So basically bolt washer nut. So you don't really want to have them all too snug, all too tight, or else you won't have any flexibility within the bumper. Alright guys, little update on what's going on. Got the front lip installed. I made a little template for the front canard. So basically I took some parchment paper, lined it up where my canard would be, and I'm flipping it over for the other side. I got all the hardware right here. I put it in this little box because I want to make sure that all the hardware is black. I don't want the little silver pieces popping through, showing through the top of the canard and underneath. So I'm gonna hit it with some Rust-Oleum paint and primer. You want to make sure you clean all the hardware off. I put it in this box so it'll probably be, hopefully be a little easier to spray them all in one time, one shot. And this way, hopefully this prevents the hardware from rusting and destroying the vinyl wrap. Alright, let me get this done and then I'll show you the installation, the final results. Alright guys, I got all the hardware painted. It actually took a minute just because I wanted to make sure everything was dry. Hit everything with the heat gun. So now all the hardware, screws, the washers, the nuts, they're all blacked out. But guess what came in the mail? Another K-tune part. Check this out, guys. Got the K-tune shifter. Billet aluminum. So, boom, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can't wait to get this thing installed. This thing is gonna be sick. It already feels so solid. See, now that the hardware is all blacked out, it just matches much better. We finally got everything put together. The front splitter and the canards. Check it out. I'm quickly gonna put this on the car and show you guys what it looks like on the car. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Bumpers installed back on the car. Got the front lip and the canards. The car looks so aggressive, guys. Aesthetic mods. I didn't know how much an aesthetic mod would change the look of the car. The car is just looking so aggressive. The camera doesn't do the car justice. It's so nice. You see all the hardware is blacked out. Alright guys, again, thanks for watching to the end of this channel. We do have more aesthetic mods coming soon, but we're also still working on the road to 700. So make sure you subscribe, stay tuned, and peace.